Let's go to the city. Looks like I just missed the train, but it comes every 10 minutes. This is the Airport Express, also run by MTR. Heading out there. What's up, everyone? Finally made it to my hotel. I don't know if I can check in yet. Worst case, drop off my luggage. Let's go. Alright, so quick update. Just randomly walked into a restaurant. I was really hungry. Decided to try it out. Lady came out to like shoo me in, so I went in. It's pretty good. 42 Hong Kong dollars. Now walking into a random mall. Alright, looks like only the hallways are open and people are just coming into work here at the mall. So I think I'm gonna walk over to the harbor and just look at the water. Welcome, it's super sunny. Made it to the harbor. You can see all the buildings across where Hong Kong Island is. On this side is Kowloon, also known as Kowloon. And that's where I'm staying. But you can take one of these green ferries. They're pretty famous across. Probably do that today or tomorrow. And I think Victoria Peak is one of those, probably the highest one, somewhere. Hey there, welcome to the Avenue of Stars. This is where, like, it's like the Hollywood version, only they do handprints here, and then it's on the railing instead of the floor like in LA. But let's compare hand sizes, because size matters. Oh yeah, look at how much bigger my hands are. Continuing our harbor tour, if you come down from the Avenue of Stars, there's this walkway where you walk up. Right now they're like cleaning it. Oh yeah, what I really wanted to show you guys is the clock tower. Apparently another famous tourist attraction. I just passed by the Museum of Art. I was gonna pop in, but it looks like it's been under renovation, according to TripAdvisor, for like a couple years now. Alright y'all, if any of you watched or have ever watched TVB, I'm sure you've seen one of these. It's basically a little walk down set of stairs that goes straight into the bay or the ocean. And it's where people like to get kicked off or jump into the water, and then the other person has to jump in and save them. I'm not gonna jump in. Been watering the streets. Spotted my first police car. Looks just like all the dramas I've seen for my entire childhood. I don't know where I'm going. Welcome to Middle Roads Children's Playground. Let's see how Hong Kong does their playgrounds. I am impressed by how clean they are for their water fountains. This water actually tastes really good. Welcome to Kowloon Park. It is about 12:30, and since I still can't check into my hotel, I've walked around about almost all of the major parts of Tsim Sha Tsui, or TST. And so I think this is the last part that I haven't checked out yet. It's giant and green on the map, so I think this is probably a huge park. It says there's like a pool and fitness center. So let's check this place out. Here we have Big Bamboo. This area is apparently called the Tree Walk. There are a lot of trees and I am walking. Ooh, a fountain. Alright, so as you know, I'm traveling to Hong Kong. This is in the middle of some of their most violent protests so far. It's like their 20th week now, I think. Police presence is very obvious. Fitness corner for the elderly. And over here it looks like what seems to be a maze. Oh no, I'm getting lost. How will I ever get out of here? Everyone around here thinks I'm just crazy. And in today's Cantonese lesson, crazy, if you want to say someone's crazy, you call them chi sim. What is this? They even have a bird section? Welcome to Stanley's snack review of the day. Today we are reviewing Pocari Sweat. Doesn't that sound appetizing? Sweat, right? Because of that name, I've never tried it, but I saw it in 7-Eleven today. It's an accurate name. It's like if sweat was sweet. This is what it would taste like. Like it almost has that same mouthfeel as sweat. But sweat is just salty and this is just sweet. I don't know how they replicated that, but if you're wondering how I know what sweat tastes like, haven't you ever worked out? Alright everyone, it is time for the hotel tour. I'm staying at the Auto Hotel, which is a boutique hotel, apparently. I'm on the 8th floor. There's literally only like 4 rooms on this level, 801 to 804. So, there's this room, my room, one more, and that's it on this floor. It's very Hong Kong because it's just a straight high rise, you know. The reason, let's put the card in. 1, 2 twin size beds, and then this see-through bathroom. There's probably a curtain or something, or, you know, people over there can see, but that's fine, I guess. Let's check out the view. Out here, it's a slightly local area. It's not super local, it's near, I mean, it's TST, so it's pretty touristy. Like, there's an Outback. Like, who would come to Hong Kong and eat at Outback Steakhouse? That's just terrible. Anyways, you can see people walking down there. I wouldn't anticipate a protest to go down there, but who knows if they run from the police. That's a side street off the main street. Alright, let's get to a bathroom tour. We have this sliding door here. Oh, and a mirror. And I'm by myself for this trip, so doors open all the time. One small toilet. Toilet paper, another mirror to make everything look bigger than it is. Another big mirror. Pretty nice thing. Nice cups, soap and everything. Shower. You know, this style of shower is like super popular where it's just built into the floor. I'm gonna shower. I have not showered for almost 24 hours now. I don't think I brushed my teeth this morning. I did eat mints. I know it's not the same, but you know. Alright, I'll stop talking to myself and let's get charging. Oh yeah, they also include 4 chargers, but I brought one as well. But if they have that, it's not too necessary. Good thing I brought an adapter. My MacBook would definitely need it for, I don't know what type that is. Why is it in kilos? I'm American. Tonight we're going to Mongkok, taking the MTR, the regular one, not the airport one, but